Hello and welcome back to my channel E-Maths. Today I would like to continue more about perimeter and then I'll let you know what area is. Yesterday in my video I told you about perimeter of a square, perimeter of rectangle or any irregular shapes. I explained that to you. I want to tell you for other polygons like pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon. Now the biggest confusion comes across is children often get confused that how many sides does a pentagon has. So I'll just let you know one logic that you should remember. When we say penta sounds like panch, or you can say P for penta, P for panch. So any figure having 5 sides is pentagon. Hexagon. Now hexagon is a word in which X is coming. Whereas if we see the numbers, 6 is the only number which has X in it. So hexa has 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Then we talk about septagon. Septa again is septa S, 7S. So remember septa has 7 sides. Octa somehow sounds like 8. So if octagon is given to you, it means 8 sides. So if all these polygons are regular means all its sides are equal. Then you just need to pick up the number of sides each polygon has and you need to multiply by the side given to you. Means the measure of the side given to you. And then you can easily find perimeter for such polygons. Now let's talk about area. If I am using this board for writing, I am using this area, the space occupied by this board. And when I say perimeter, it means only the boundary of this board. But when I will be writing, I will be occupying some space on this board. So that means I am occupying the area of the board. So for area, we have different formulas for different figures. Like if we talk about a square, area of a square, since we have equal sides in a square, we have only side into side as the formula for that. When we talk about area of rectangle, then area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now as you all know that whenever we see the dimensions of such figures, it's either in centimeters, meters or any other unit can be given to you. Now whenever writing the unit for an area, unit of area is square unit. Now I'll tell you why square unit we take it up. We are multiplying side by side. Suppose let's take an example of 4 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters. So here I am not only multiplying the numbers, it's 4 4 is 16, but we are also multiplying the units. So you can also write like this, centimeter square, or this can also be written as 16 square centimeter. Whereas in perimeter, we do multiplication in finding the perimeter of a square. We do it 4 into side. So there is only one unit coming in that formula. But here we are having 2 units coming together because we are multiplying 2 sides together. And both the sides have unit with them. And that's how we get the unit as square centimeters or square unit. Unit means it can be any unit given in the question. Now when do we need to find the area? Like if you need to whitewash the walls, if you need to polish any surface, then in that case you need to find the area, because when you are whitewashing the walls, you are actually doing it on the entire wall. Or if you are flooring your if you're putting up tiles on the floor, again the tile is covering the entire floor. So again you need to find area in that case. So you need to understand that where do you need to find perimeter and where you need to find the area. So if you're occupying the space, that means you need to find the area of that particular figure. And most importantly, you need to remember the formulas. You cannot mix it up. You cannot take up perimeter's formula in area and area's formula in perimeter. Just be sure when you are finding the perimeter, You are just taking up the sides and adding them up. Whereas in area, you are multiplying the two sides. Like if we have to find area of parallelogram. Parallelogram figure is like this. You can say it's a tilted rectangle. Rectangle को धक्का दे दिया and it became like this. It's a parallelogram. So what was the formula for area of rectangle? It was length into breadth. Okay. So here we take the base. This is the base, this part, and this is the height. So in this case, we take up the base and height and find the area. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Again, you are multiplying the two dimensions, so your area will come in square units. If we talk about triangle, area of triangle is half into base into height. So if you are observing the formulas, we are having two dimensions in each case, and that's why our units remain the same for area. It is a square unit in each case. Here also you have two dimensions, base into height. And how do we take it up? See, if this is the formula, if this is the figure, sorry, so this will be the base where this altitude is dropped. So this becomes the height. This is the base, this is the height, and that's how we got the formula. It is half into base into height. It's actually half of the parallelogram, half of the area of the parallelogram. Just learn all the formulas for area and you will be able to solve any question given to you. That's all for today. I'll be coming with more videos. Keep watching my channel and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.